Welcome. In this video, I'll show you where to find or answer the question, where's the trending page here on YouTube? Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, as you can see here at the top, when we tap on the Discover section right here, we don't have the trending option. And before, a few weeks ago, like 2-3 weeks ago, when you go ahead over to your favorite browser, okay, and just type in youtube.com/feed, okay, right here, /trending, this link right here should work, okay? Also, when you type down that specific URL, and when you go ahead over to desktop site, it should work as well, okay? But that was before. The problem here is that YouTube patched this particular update where they disabled YouTube trending, okay? So for now, the only thing that you can use is by opening up the YouTube app. And as you can see here at the top, we have these charts, okay? Basically, when you go ahead over to gaming, podcast, the top videos for that specific category will be listed, okay? For example, I'm going to go ahead over to podcast right here at the top. Like so, as you can see, these videos are the trending videos for this specific category. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.